Hi people, today we are analyzing this code that I already made. It's a very easy code, so well, let's get started. First, I got the index.html. Basically, I use the basic format of the index with the language in Spanish. I put a header. In this header, I set the characters and the responsive views. I include the CSS styles and I define the page title. Later on, with the body, I define the main container. And in the main container, I define the title of the page, that is calculadora de conversiones. And with the div class options, there's buttons to select. And when you click some buttons, it will make an option that we will see in the script.js. And later on, I made the calculators that basically is wrapped and separated in a div and is displayed when only selected. And I create some classes to work in the JavaScript. Later on, we can go to the styles.css. In this, basically, I put a global style with a body that is basically to set the font of the background, center layer, and margin. In the container, I define the white background, the padding, the border radius, shadowing, and maximum white, and I center the text. In basically the titles with the h1 and h2, I basically define the font size, the margin, and color for the very secondary titles. In the arrange options, I basically arrange the buttons in a row to space them. In the button, I define the padding background, color text color, border radius, font size, cursor, add a transition to change the color on hover, add a top margin to separate the calculator from the rest of the content. In the input group, I basically define the bottom margin and align the text to the left. In the labels, I set the display block. I am margin and color that I define later on in the inputs and selects the white padding border radius, and bottom margin for the inputs and selects. And in the result, I set the top margin, font size, and font weight and color into the result of the density. Okay, and in the script.js, I basically show the calculator hides all calculators, or choose only the selected one, and use the document dot query selector all to select all calculators, and document dot get element by ID to show the selected calculator. Later on, we calculate the density. Basically, we take the weight and volume from the inputs, as well as selected units, convert the weight to grams if it's in milligrams, and convert the volume to cubic centimeters if it's in centimeters, and calculate the density and display the result. This is the density calculator, and later on we make like the same in all these calculators to convert milligrams to grams. Basically the thing that we do is take the milligrams value from the input, convert the value to grams, and displays the result right there. We make this with all the conversions, and yeah, that's all. If you see the page, it will build something like this. Let me put the basically we go to density calculator, and an example, if I put grams and cubic centimeters, we can calculate the density of an object. That would be all. Goodbye.